Many people want to change their lives. They want better habits, better confidence, and better opportunities. They want to feel proud of who they are becoming. But most people do not know where to begin. They feel stuck between who they are today and the person they want to become tomorrow. The truth is simple but powerful. Real change does not happen in one big moment. It happens step by step. It happens through small daily decisions that slowly shape your character, your mindset, and your future. When you work on yourself consistently, even in small ways, your life begins to change in ways you never expected. The first step to working on yourself is awareness. You cannot improve what you do not notice. Many people live on autopilot. They wake up, follow the same routines, react to the same problems, and repeat the same habits every day. Weeks pass, months pass, and nothing changes. But when you become aware of your thoughts, your actions, and your habits, something important happens. You begin to see the patterns that control your life. You notice the habits that waste your time. You recognize the thoughts that make you doubt yourself. Awareness is like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, you can see what was always there. Once you see it clearly, you can begin to change it. After awareness comes responsibility. This is a step many people avoid because it is uncomfortable. It is easier to blame circumstances, other people, or bad luck. But real personal growth begins when you accept that you are responsible for your actions, your decisions, and your progress. Responsibility does not mean blaming yourself for everything. It means understanding that you have the power to choose your response in every situation. When you accept responsibility, you stop waiting for someone else to fix your life. Instead, you begin to take action. This mindset is powerful because it shifts your focus from problems to solutions. Instead of asking, "Why is my life like this?" you start asking, "What can I do to improve it?" One of the most important ways to work on yourself is by improving your mindset. Your mindset is the way you see the world and the way you interpret events in your life. Two people can face the same challenge but react in completely different ways. One person may see the problem as proof that they are not capable. Another person may see the same problem as an opportunity to learn and grow. The difference is mindset. When you develop a growth mindset, you start seeing mistakes as lessons instead of failures. You begin to understand that every skill can be improved with practice and effort. This belief gives you the courage to try again, even after setbacks. Another essential step in personal growth is building better habits. Your habits shape your daily life more than your motivation. Many people wait until they feel inspired before they take action. But motivation is temporary. Some days you feel energetic and ready to work. Other days you feel tired and distracted. Habits solve this problem because they create structure in your life. When a habit becomes part of your routine, you do not need motivation to start. You simply follow the pattern you have created. For example, reading 10 pages every day may seem small, but over time it can transform your knowledge and perspective. Exercising for 20 minutes each morning may feel simple, but it strengthens your body and improves your discipline. Small habits repeated daily create powerful results. Working on yourself also requires learning continuously. The world is changing quickly, and the people who grow the most are the ones who keep learning. Learning does not always mean attending formal classes or earning degrees. It can happen through books, conversations, podcasts, and experiences. When you expose yourself to new ideas, your mind expands. You start to see possibilities that you never considered before. Knowledge also helps you make better decisions because you understand the consequences of different choices. The more you learn, the more confident you become in your ability to solve problems and navigate challenges. Another powerful area of self-improvement is communication. The way you express your thoughts and feelings affects your relationships, your career, and your personal confidence. Many misunderstandings in life happen not because people disagree, but because they do not communicate clearly. When you learn to listen carefully, speak honestly, and express your ideas respectfully, your interactions with others improve dramatically. Good communication also means understanding emotions, both your own and the emotions of others. When you develop emotional intelligence, you become more patient, more understanding, and more capable of building strong relationships. Time management is another skill that can transform your life. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day, but people use that time in different ways. Some people spend hours scrolling through social media or worrying about problems they cannot control. Others use their time intentionally to build skills, work toward goals, and take care of their health. Working on yourself means becoming more aware of how you spend your time. When you plan your day and focus on important tasks, you begin to make steady progress. Even 1 hour of focused effort each day can lead to incredible growth over time. Self-discipline is closely connected to time management. Discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done even when you do not feel like doing it. This skill is not something people are born with. It is something that develops through practice. Each time you choose the difficult but meaningful action instead of the easy but unproductive one, you strengthen your discipline. Over time, these choices shape your identity. You start seeing yourself as someone who keeps promises to yourself. This confidence in your own reliability becomes a powerful foundation for future success. Another important part of working on yourself is taking care of your physical health. Your body and mind are deeply connected. When your body is tired, unhealthy, or stressed, your thinking becomes slower and your motivation decreases. Simple habits like regular exercise, healthy food, and enough sleep can significantly improve your energy and focus. When you feel physically strong, you are more capable of handling challenges and maintaining a positive attitude. Health may seem like a basic topic, but it is often the foundation that supports all other areas of personal growth. Working on yourself also means facing your fears. Fear often appears when you try something new or step outside your comfort zone. It may tell you that you are not ready, that you might fail, or that others might judge you. These thoughts can stop many people from pursuing their goals. However, growth rarely happens inside the comfort zone. Each time you face a fear and take action anyway, you expand your confidence. The fear may not disappear completely, but your ability to move forward despite fear becomes stronger. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is a decision to act even when fear is present. Another step in self-improvement is learning from failure. Every successful person has experienced setbacks and mistakes. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the journey towards success. When something does not go as planned, you have a choice. You can see the experience as proof that you should stop trying, or you can analyze what happened and use the lesson to improve your approach. When you adopt the second mindset, failure becomes valuable information. It shows you what works and what does not work. Over time, these lessons guide you toward better strategies and smarter decisions. Working on yourself also involves setting clear goals. Goals give direction to your efforts. Without goals, it is easy to drift through life without making meaningful progress. When you define what you want to achieve, your actions become more focused. Goals do not need to be extremely complicated. They simply need to be specific and realistic. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve my life," you might say, "I will read one book each month," or "I will practice a new skill for 30 minutes every day." Clear goals turn vague dreams into concrete plans. Reflection is another powerful tool for personal growth. At the end of each day or week, taking a few minutes to reflect on your actions can help you learn from your experiences. Ask yourself simple questions. What did I do well today? What could I improve tomorrow? What lesson did I learn this week? Reflection helps you stay aware of your progress and adjust your strategies when necessary. It also reminds you of how far you have come, which can be very motivating during difficult periods. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is also important. The people you spend time with can affect your mindset, your habits, and your ambitions. When you are surrounded by people who support growth, encourage learning, and believe in improvement, you naturally feel more motivated to develop yourself. This does not mean you must remove everyone who is different from you. It simply means being intentional about the environment you create around yourself. Positive environments make personal growth easier and more enjoyable. Patience is another essential quality when working on yourself. Personal development is not a quick process. Sometimes progress is slow and difficult to notice in the moment. However, small improvements accumulate over time. Imagine improving just 1% each day. At first the change may seem invisible, but after months or years the difference becomes remarkable. Patience allows you to continue the process even when the results are not immediately visible. Gratitude can also play a surprising role in self-improvement. When you focus only on what is missing in your life, you may feel discouraged and dissatisfied. But when you take time to appreciate what you already have, your mindset becomes more balanced and positive. Gratitude does not mean ignoring problems or challenges. It simply reminds you that progress is possible and that there are still many good things in your life. This perspective can increase motivation and resilience. Ultimately, working on yourself is about becoming more intentional with your life. Instead of drifting through each day without direction, you begin to make conscious choices about your habits, your goals, and your mindset. You start asking better questions and seeking better solutions. The process is not always easy, and it often requires patience and effort. But the rewards are significant. As you improve yourself, your confidence grows, your opportunities expand, and your relationships become stronger. One day, you may look back and realize that the person you have become is very different from the person you once were. The fears that once controlled you may seem smaller. The goals that once seemed impossible may feel achievable. And the habits that once required effort may now feel natural. This transformation does not happen overnight. It happens through daily actions, repeated again and again. The journey of self-improvement never truly ends because there is always something new to learn and new ways to grow. But that is what makes life exciting. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the person you want to become. When you commit to working on yourself consistently and patiently, you create the foundation for a life filled with growth, purpose, and possibility. And with each step you take, your life begins to change in ways you once only imagined. In the end, the most important thing to remember is that real change begins with a single decision. The decision to stop waiting and start improving yourself today. Many people spend years hoping their life will become better, but hope alone is not enough. Progress comes from small actions repeated every day. When you read a little, practice a skill, reflect on your mistakes, and choose better habits, you slowly shape a stronger version of yourself. At first, the progress may feel slow, but every small step builds momentum. Over time, these small steps create big transformations. You may not notice the change immediately, but one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. The things that once felt difficult will feel natural. The fears that once stopped you will lose their power. Your confidence will grow because you know you are becoming better every day. Working on yourself is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming stronger, wiser, and more aware with each experience. If you stay patient, stay consistent, and continue learning from life, you will discover that the life you wanted to change is slowly becoming the life you are proud to live.